Howdy folks, welcome to episode 29. Today we are going to continue where we left off, which was we finished up the laser beam, and so then we can drill down through the bedrock and get ores from the why am I doing finger quotes? Why am I doing finger quotes? Okay, so anyway, yeah, we're gonna go and make some power for this. Whoops, I keep right clicking on that. You have to left click, not right click. So what we need to do now is we need to make a power source for that thing to run. And so I decided that I want to put it back here. And so I'm going to need to basically clear out some space. I cleared out a little bit, but I do need to open up the ceiling because this is like, it's claustrophobic in here. And so I'm going to do this and clean this up and and deal with the sand that falls through. And so I will meet you guys when this is finished up. Alright guys, we are back, and you can see here I cleaned out this area, which is pretty nice, and so we can stick our new generator that we're going to create in here. And in order to do that, I need to make some turbines, and so I've got some stuff going here, the energetic alloy, which is gold, glowstone, and redstone. And I have glowstone's easy. I have a ton of it in here, so I can pick out. So yeah, I've got plenty of it here, and it's easy to get in the nether with, you know, it can fly and everything. So that shouldn't be a problem. And the gold, I'm having to go back and forth to the farm in order to do that. And so I'm making those the energetic alloys, and then adding the ender pearls to make the vibrant alloys. So I need like 120, like a couple stacks of this in order to make the turbines that I need to make for the generator. So I'm going to continue doing that and farming some more gold, and I will be back again in another minute. Okay guys, we're back, and I think I'm ready to do some crafting, so prepare yourself because there is going to be a lot of this stuff coming quickly. So the first thing we need to make is a compressor from Industrial Craft so that we can make, let's see, we need these, and so we can make and we need that so that we can make some advanced alloy. So I need 6 of the copper cables and 9 of the iron plates. And if you remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I need 2 of these plates in order to make 6 of these. Nope, I need 1 more, don't I? Okay, and we'll switch this out, and there we go. Okay, and that should let us make the, the advanced circuit, or the electronic circuit. Now notice that the recipe shows that you need insulated copper. You don't actually need insulated copper to make the electronic circuit. As you see, it still works. So yeah. And I'm not sure if that's intentional or if it's a bug, but so here we go. This is a compressor, and we are going to place it right here because we're going to need to use it in a minute to make some advanced alloy. So let's find the advanced alloy. So that needs mixed metal ingots, and so we need 24 each of the iron, bronze, and tin plates. So let's get those going, and let's see, 24 of iron plates, and that's not bronze, so we'll do, 24, and where's our other hammer? Here's the other hammer, and 24 of those, and 24 of, we have iron, bronze, and what was the other one? Tin? Tin, yep. So we have tin, where's my tin? Where'd I put the tin? There it is. Okay. 24, so we have 24 of those, and we can now craft these together. like that, and that should make, why did that only give me 8? Okay, I think that's right though. So this will give me 16 of the advanced alloys, and I hope that's the amount that I need. Because, yeah, okay, so let's get the other stuff going. Now, what we have is turbine. Let's do our turbines. So we need these vibrant turbines. So we need to make rotors. And so we can make these. And we need, we're going to make 10 total. So why don't I get, we need 20 of these. Whoops. There, we need 20 of those. And then we need to make the turbines. There we go. So now we can make 10 of the turbines. All right. And now we need to make these. And let's make, because we're going to need these for quite a few other things. And we need the redstone iron tubings. And so we'll make, whoops, that was weird. 1, 2 of those. I don't remember exactly how many we need, so we'll only make 2 to start out with. And we should be able to make, let's see, I think we need, we'll start with 16, because quite a few things use those. So this, we should be able to make 10 of these. And why is it only giving me 4 of those? Okay, let's make the other stuff first. And see what we got. Oh, it's because of the iron frames. So we need quite a few of these iron frames. We need 10, so 40 of them total. And we already have 16, and I just did the wrong thing again. Derp. Okay, so we need that. So we have 16, we need 40. 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40. We'll do this right now and get these going. There we go. So we can make 10 turbines. Now those are what are going to do our power. And now we need the controller as well. And so I believe that's where the, nope, that's not where the thing comes from. So let's check this again, and we need more iron frames. And I need to do more than just 2. Okay. And what else do we need? I think that's it. So we have the controller. And let's see, we need a fuel tank. I actually had to make a cheat sheet in order to keep track of all the stuff we need. So we need 2, 4, 6. We'll take 8 of these just in case. So fuel tank. There we go. There's a fuel tank. And we need a flux generator. Flux generator. And so for this, we need, let's see what we're missing. We need pistons. And we actually need 5 because we need them for a couple other things too. And so we still need the power module. There we go. And what's the other thing we need? We need gold. Tell me we have a gold ingot. Oh, we have right here. So let's do this. There we go. And we should be able to craft this. Okay, so we have a flux generator, fuel tank. We need a fluid intake. Let's see here. Fluid intake valve. And I believe we have, yeah, we have everything we need for that. And we'll grab these advanced alloys because I don't remember what we need them for, but I know we're going to need them. We need a fuel air mixer. And let's see. Fuel air mixer. And so we need the pressure valve. So let's get these going. We need 2, 4. And what else do we need? We need this thing, the pressure valve. So we can make one of those. And we should be able to make this now. So now we have the fluid intake, and then we need the gas mix compressor, which I believe is where the thing comes in. So let's get these again. We need 2 and 4. And then we need these advanced pressure valves. There we go. So the pressure valves, we need 2 of these. 1 and 2. Oh, I'm missing iron. Okay, let's do this. And let's try this again. Advanced pressure valve, move those. So we need those, and we need the advanced pressure valve, and we should have everything we need for that. Excellent. And so now we should be able to make the gas mix compressor. And that should be everything we need for this setup. So let's make sure. Let's go and see what we have. We have the fuel tank, gas mix compressor, flux generator, fuel fluid intake. So where is our controller? We're going to put all these things down here. And our fluid intake. Okay, so we have a controller, and we have 10 turbines. And we have a fluid intake valve. Whoops. And we have a gas mix compressor. So we'll start these on this end. And what else do we have? We have these other parts that we need to put in here. So we have the fuel air mixer, and the fuel tank, and the flux generator. Now we should have a functional, the generator should be capable of functioning now. And what we need to do is we need to put fluid into it. And so that's the next thing we have to do, is we have to craft some vats. So we will get those. And so we need cauldrons. We need 2 of those. And hopefully we have enough iron for all this stuff. Whoops. Let's try this again. Cauldrons. And what else do we need? We need fluid tanks, so we need 2 of those. 1 and 2. That's where the glass was for. And we need a machine chassis. So we have that, and we need 2 of those. And we need more iron bars. Amazingly, we're just about out of resources once again. So we should be able to make 2 of these, and I think I need to make 2 more fluid tanks. So let's see. Yep. So I need 2 more pieces of glass. So let's grab that real quickly. There we go. There's our glass, and now we should be able to make the vat, the last vat. And as long as we have the fluid tanks. So here we go. Here's our vat. There. Okay, now we need to make sure that we have power to this thing. So let's see here. We need 2 vats, and we're just going to put them here and here. I'm not sure if we need fluid pipes in order to get the fluid from one to the other. And oh, you know what the other thing we need is an infinite water source, which is this. And so we need iron and 2 buckets of water. Okay, that's no problem. We have 9 iron ingots left. So this is going to be interesting. Let's sleep here quickly. And yeah, we're going to be cutting it close on the resources here. And I actually melted down some iron doors. Where did those go? Yeah, molten iron. I actually melted down some iron doors in order to get ingots, more ingots. So maybe we'll end up using those. But let's find our buckets. We don't have buckets? Really? I know we have buckets. There they are. Okay. So, we need this and 2 water buckets, I believe was the infinite water source. There we go. Oh, cool. And you don't lose the buckets. Oh, that's good. So now we should be able to have this connect to our vat. We're going to put this above the vat here. And this should now figure IO. We're going to do pull from there. And so this should start filling up with water. Excellent. And actually, I need some of these because we're just going to do this for right now. Whoops. Wrong block. Okay, so we're going to grab those. And we're going to connect them over here. Let's see here. We'll get these connected over here. Okay, and let's see if this one has power. No. So let's see here. We need to put that here. And I guess I'll need another one of these to steal another one of these from here. And we'll get, actually, and I'll still need another one. Unless we do this. Let's do this. Okay, so we can go like that, and we'll connect that across. So now our vat should have power. So we need some of our resources here. We need sugar and seeds so that we can start making our fuel, our hooch. So we'll do this, and we'll put in seeds, and we need to also make sugar cane. Put in the sugar cane, and there we go. So now this is going to start making hooch, and we configure IO. We can do push, and this thing should take hooch as its input, and I believe it takes redstone and, let's see here, where's rocket fuel? There we go. So we take hooch as input, and we have gunpowder and redstone, and that will make rocket fuel. And the rocket fuel is what this thing is going to run on. So we will see if we can output to the bottom. So push. So once this is done, and this should start making. Yep, there we go. Is it? Nope, it's outputting here, isn't it? Okay. I needed to cancel that. Pull. Let's see if we can pull that back out. Come on. This thing didn't take it into the fuel tank, did it? Nope. Okay, let me see what's going on with the fuel. So this should be, there we go, there's our output tank. Okay, and I may need some fluid in order to do that, but we'll see. Let's see if this will output rocket fuel. Let's try this again. We'll do the configure IO, and we'll do push, and we'll see if that will output. Why is it outputting from the input? That's weird. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to have to make some fluid tanks. So let me go do that, and I will be right back. Oh, there we go. There is the fluid conduit. Let's do this, and we will take these fluid conduits and we'll put them, let's see, where can we put them? I can put it here and go around this way, and I'm not sure if it actually has to go connect to the, connect to the fuel tank or what, but we'll find out if it has to actually hit the intake valve or what. Let's see. And I think it might have to. So let me take these back. And need to do disable. There we go. And let's try to connect this. You know what? Let me do this. Let's change this block. And why don't we put this one here, and we'll put the controller here. There we go. And now we'll try putting our... There we go. So let's do insert, and here we'll do... Whoops. On here we will do extract. And we'll get rid of this. And this should bring our liquid in here, and it doesn't seem to be doing it. So, yeah. Alright guys, let me fiddle around with this for a little bit and figure out what's going on. I will be right back. Oh, that's what it is. Always active. Let's try that. There we go. Okay. Now we have input, and I need to clean this up, obviously. I'll make some more of these pipes. But let's put this 10th turbine back on here. Whoops. And here we go. We have... we are producing RF. Now this automatically turns off. It doesn't just sit there and run generating power unless the power is actually being used, which is very handy. And so what we need to do is we need to hook this up to our mining laser beam thingy, our mining laser. So let me put this stuff away, and we will figure out where our mining laser is and connect it up. So we'll get this stuff all put away, and let's go down to the mining laser. And whoops, always hit the wrong button. And we will set up a beacon here. So new, let's make it yellow. Okay. All right, and there should be a beacon there now. Awesome. And that will show us where our thing needs to go. Okay, so we need to come down here. Is that's andesite, okay. And that's right next to our other thing. So we're gonna need to come up this way. There we go. Okay, so that's where we need to come in. And so we need to connect this here. Now this is the 5,000, this is the more expensive. As you see here, this is 640 RF per tick, and this is 5,120 RF per tick. And so we're gonna go this way if we can, if it's gonna let us. Did I just there we go. Okay, and so we're gonna go this way a few blocks. Nice. And of course I hit gravel to screw me up and waste my time. Okay, let's go around the gravel if we can. Here. Nope, we can't. All right. Dig through the gravel. And we also need to make sure that we are going, come on, up, 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 thank you, that we're going to this thing. So let me set, let's see, we need to go to here. And so we'll go down this way. And actually we can just do this, can't we? Okay, so let's go there, instead of going through the gravel. And did I leave a bunch of stuff here now? All right, so let's get this running and make sure that it's gonna connect all, and yeah, more gravel. Of course, there's more gravel. All right. Okay, let's come down here. and we'll go through the floor here so that we know exactly where we're going. Let's see. And we'll meet up with it on the other side. Hey, and there's some more iron. Alright, so we'll get this put in here. And actually I should dig out this iron because, yeah, I have like 5 ingots left to my name, so. Alright, we'll get these out of here because distractions. And I think I need to also make some more conduit. So let me get what we have here put in, and we'll see how much more we need. Because I think that takes some of the more expensive alloys, and I'm going to have to make more. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to need another 16 or 20 of them. Alright guys, let me go make some more of this conduit, and I will come back in just a minute. Alright guys, we are back, and I got this cleaned up. So what I did was I ran the pipe, as you can see it's going all the way underneath here, and I moved the output so that I can clean this up a little bit. So let's put this back. And what you can see here is I moved the fluid intake to here so that I can clean this pipe. And then the output from here is also able to power the vats, so I don't have to have the cable running across. And so the other thing I did here was I put up a chest which holds our stuff that we need in order to make our fuel. And the beauty of Ender IO, one of the great things about it is with these pipes, you can overlap them. And so you can have all of the different types of pipes out of the same connection. So let's do extract, always active, and then we're going to have to put another one here. And we will do, for that, we'll do insert. There we go. So this should be, yes, it's filling back up. Awesome. So this is automatically filling up from what we put in the chest. That's cool. And we'll have to do this one the same. So we'll do insert. There we go. And so this one is going to fill up with stuff, with sugar, and excellent. Excellent. Okay, so that's going to keep making hooch. And this one is going to keep making our rocket fuel, which is going to supply our power, which is going to come down to the mining. So let's go check out the mining laser beam and see how it looks. See what it's doing. So you basically put a chest, and I can put a conduit cover on that too. But yeah, you put a chest here, and whoa, we got cool. I did not expect that much stuff. That's awesome. So we have resonating ore, amber. I don't think I've even found that yet. But yeah, redstone, iron, tanzanite. Not even sure what that is. Excellent. Uranium, emerald. Cool. That's the first emerald ore. So yeah, there's another ardite. Nice. Very nice. So yeah, this thing, and cobalt. Cool. So this thing is going to do our mining for us as long as we keep it supplied with stuff. It will keep going. So awesome. So I'm going to clean up my inventory and everything, and yeah, we're probably running long. So that's all the time we're going to have for episode 29. Join me in episode 30, and I think we're going to try out some other power sources too. And our other thing we need to do is clean up some of the farms and make them better at what they're doing and not just so makeshift and everything. So join me in episode 30, and we will do some more of those cool things. We'll see you then. Later.